That is, okay, when you're creating a data frame, so you give the columns in this order, right? State, year, and population. That is the order in which the dictionary is prepared. But if you want to change the order while creating the database, you can do that by, so remember, this is what we did to create the data frame, right? So df, well, we used data, and then it created the database, the data frame in the same order. So if you want to take that data frame df1 and you want to change the order, then you can use columns and then give a list in the order that you want. Okay, so this way df2 is a new data frame with columns ordered differently. Now when you create a database from a dictionary, so let's see that I'm going to copy paste this line of code here. Okay. Now we can do this as well. So here we took an existing data frame and changed the order of the columns. We could do that at the time of creating the data frame as well. So here is the dictionary. Remember, data is the dictionary that we created here. We could do that as well. So you change the order, and then it changes the order here. But what if you in the columns, if you have another column name that is not part of the dictionary, right? Okay, now this one is not in the dictionary. Okay. Now you see it doesn't give you an error. It adds the column, and since it is not in the dictionary, it just fills it up with NaN, or missing value, no value, as the value for that column. Okay. Now let's take the same code. Okay. Now we can add one more element to this line of code, okay, for having a new or user-defined index labels. So far, we didn't provide index labels. So Pandas automatically created index labels starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and down the line. Now we can provide an index. Okay. Remember, index is for the rows. Okay. For columns, the index is called columns or column names, right? Index and columns. So index here, you can give a list. Of course, this should be the same length as the number of rows. Okay. It doesn't add. Like in columns, if you include a new column that's not in the dictionary, it doesn't give you an error. It just simply puts it in the new column, fills it up with NaN, right? But that doesn't happen for rows. Okay, if the index is not the same number, see, like here there are 6 rows, so you need to give 6 index values. Suppose if I give only 5, it will give you an error. Okay. So I need to give 6, and now you see index labels are no longer 0 through 5, it is whatever that we have given. So it could be anything, it need not be A, B, C, D, it can be anything. Okay.